Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of our vlog about Statement of Purpose and Letter of Intent. Sa part 1, pinag-usapan natin kung paano magsulat ng Statement of Purpose or SOP para sa main applicant. Ang main applicant ay syempre yung estudyante na mag-aaral sa Canada. Kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, check the link on the description box below. And kung may kasama ka namang dependents like yung asawa mo or yung anak mo, na 4-year-old and below, kailangan din nila ng letter of intent or LOI para sa application nila ng open work permit and temporary resident visa. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw. I'm Yhani and I have been creating videos here on YouTube about our experience in applying our temporary visas here in Canada. And to know more about our visa application process and our new life here in Canada, please follow my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Sa part 1, nabanggit ko ng SOP ng husband ko umabot ng 7 pages. Yes, 7 pages and I know mahaba siya but I also explained there ano-ano mga sinulat ko, bakit siya humaba ng ganun. Now, sa LOI naman, medyo maiksi na. Pag-usapan muna natin ang LOI ng Open Work Permit applicant. So, sa case namin, family of 3 kami. Husband ko ang main applicant at ako naman ang nag-apply ng open work permit as his dependent para makasama kami ng husband ko papuntang Canada. Ang LOI ko ay 3 pages lang. So sa first part, I introduced myself and that I am the wife of the main applicant and that I am applying for an open work permit. Then, second paragraph was just a very simple summary of how we met and how we started as a family. Nilagay ko yan para lang magkaroon ng personal touch na magagamit natin later on as we write the LOI. This third paragraph right here talks about my career background. Hinighlight ko lang ano yung mga main responsibilities ko. Nilagay ko yan to show na meron ako maibibigay na value sa Canadian workforce. And para magamit ko yan as transition later on sa letter natin, kasi nga nag-a-apply tayo ng work permit, di ba? So in this letter, I was saying that I have these skills that will help me land a job in Canada. Now, dito sa part na to, naka-emphasize kung bakit ako sasama sa asawa ko na mag-Canada. Ano yung role ko and how will it benefit my husband as the main applicant. I said that my presence and support will keep my husband emotionally secure and motivated, and that I will give my husband the moral, physical, and financial support he needs to live comfortably in Canada. Notice na binanggit ko na din dito na kasama namin yung anak namin para ma-set na yung expectation na 3 kami sa family na nag-a-apply. Next part is the proof of funds. So sa SOP ng main applicant, in-explain namin in detail kung saan galing yung funds namin. We are fully sponsored, ibig sabihin, wala kaming present na sariling pera. And 100% ng funds namin ay galing sa sponsor namin, who is our college professor and wedding sponsor. And dahil wala kaming blood relation ng sponsor namin, in-explain din namin bakit siya ang sponsor namin and bakit niya kami i-sponsoran. Since na-explain na namin yan sa SOP ng husband ko, dito naman sa LOI ko, binanggit ko lang siya very briefly sino ang sponsor namin and magkano ang total fund. Siyempre, dapat yung figure na nakasulat dyan ay pareho sa figures na nakasulat sa SOP para consistent yung letters nyo. Dito naman, reiteration lang ng home ties namin, which was also explained in my husband's SOP. And then the last part is your declaration and closing statement. So, ayan ang LOI ko. Sunod ko na may papakita sa inyo ang LOI para sa TRV applicant namin. Mas maiksi na to and sinulat namin siya sa perspective ng main applicant parent. So, ang nakapirma sa letter na to ay yung husband ko. In this letter, kailangan mo ng personal touch. You have to explain bakit sasama sa'yo ang anak mo papuntang Canada habang estudyante ka. So, here, ang nilagay ko ay yung responsibility ng husband ko as a father, and that he needs to be with our son for him to fulfill that responsibility. After all, kaya ka naman mag-aaral sa Canada is to provide a better life for your family. And being with the most important person in your life will help you maintain your emotional and mental well-being while completing your program. Then, summary lang ng proof of funds, summary ng home ties, hinighlight ko lang na pabalik kami ng Pinas, kaya it's the perfect time para sa anak ko na mag-aral ng grade school sa Pilipinas. And then the last part is a declaration and closing statement. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Again, walang required format sa pagsusulat ng SOP and LOI. Nasa sa inyo yan kung paano nyo i-structure yung mga letters nyo to convince the visa officer to grant your visa applications. And I am not saying na gayahin nyo kung paano namin sinulat yung mga application letters namin. But you can read through it and use it as a reference if pareho kayo sa sitwasyon namin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions and if there are any topic that you would like me to talk about. See you again next time. Bye!